Okay guys, so next up we've got the seated Smith overhead press. The first thing that I want you to do is grab a bench and set it to just about an upright angle. Now from there, to make sure it's actually in the middle, draw an imaginary line from the top beam, through the bar, and through the bench. So for me, this is pretty good. Now the second thing you're going to want to test is to make sure that it's the right space in terms of how far forward or back it is. Now your test for this one is if you bring the bar down towards your chest, the bar should be nice and close to your center of mass, but not so close, it's obviously going to touch you in the nose. Think about the bar being close to your center of mass, meaning your weight is going to be closer to your center of mass, meaning you're going to be stronger. Now, another thing that's going to make you stronger is if you have a nice wide stance with your feet. That is your base of stability. So you want to have a nice wide stance and also gently press yourself back into the bench in order to maximize the stability that you have available. Now from there, select a grip width that suits you. What we should see is when your elbows are tucked forward under the bar, you've got a nice vertical or straight up and down angle of the forearm. So for me, that's perfect. So what I'm gonna do, now that I'm in the right position, and I know where my hands should be and I know where my feet should be, from there, I'm going to control the stretch nicely, and then at the bottom, I'm gonna press, I'm gonna then accelerate, and I'm gonna fully extend at the top. Control on the way down, press, accelerate, fully extend at the top. Control on the way down, press, accelerate, fully extend at the top. And that is it for the seated Smith machine overhead press.